the leading metric that we monitor is LP accuracy. I mean, it's a foundational metric for us, like it is for many people. But again, not just around inventory accuracy, but what it means in terms of our downstream impact to order fulfillment, meeting SLA, and employee satisfaction. So that is the leading metric. I mean, we do monitor and watch costs per scan, comparatively speaking, to what it would mean if we were still using equipment and a person. We've seen a reduction in some cases of, again, up to about 60-70%, in V&A greater than that, certainly in the cost per LP. So that's something that we watch from a sort of obviously a CPU perspective, but in terms of what the operators and the team looks for out on the floor, it's really LP accuracy.